Hello. Today's today's quite a day, and I'm feeling really good today. It's I haven't felt this like level of peace I have like right now in quite a while. Like I guess almost 2 months since I've really felt this level of peace, and it's really nice right now. It feels really good. So I guess I'll briefly explain what happened today. So, today I was really tested, extremely tested today. Um, my friend's been talking to my ex, and of course, all this time I chose not to really intervene much, and I don't know, defend myself too much or anything, or ask to say anything to her or anything like that. And then today I got to see my friend, and I decided to ask nothing about her, not bring her up, not anything. I didn't bring her up, mention even like any little detail about her, as if she didn't exist. Of course, though, in my head, there's a big war going on. I just wanted to ask, is she okay? I didn't even ask that. I fully let go. And today, the angel numbers, if you want to believe that stuff, got way more intense. I keep seeing them all the time. It's really like insane, the amount of angel numbers going off right now. And of course, I started in general this week has been really big on angel numbers, like a lot of them. It started like basically on the weekend, and then it keeps going and going, and then today is just escalating the amount of angel numbers unseen: 222s, 333s, 345, like 445, like all this stuff. Like it just keeps coming. A bunch of them. 456. I don't know. It's a lot of them. And it's insane how many of them are happening, but it's just the most in any one day. And in this case, almost every time like I was tested or going through an emotion of what I was going through, I got another angel number. And yeah, it's quite amazing. Um, every time I was tested and then decided to look, yeah, it was an angel number. So it was like 2 times I was like with my friend for a while and decided not to mention it, and both times when the conversation ended, angel number. And then there was a moment of time when after the first conversation, after that went by, I needed some time to sit by myself and just process, because it was very hard for me to not ask, not say anything. Because of course, I still love her dearly. I love her so much, even now. And after I sat with my emotions, like I felt sad. I felt like debating if what I'm doing is right. Debating if like my friend is here to help. My friend is here to heal this wound, all these things, and I decided no, just let it go. Let it go. Don't see this as a sign or anything like that. Just let it go. And I did. I didn't ask my friend to tell her anything. They both have each other's numbers now. They've been talking to each other. And my friend and I, we had a good time together, good talking to each other, all this stuff. And yeah, we're both on good terms. And yeah, we're both on really good terms. And yeah, the angel numbers just kept coming today. And then just moments ago, I really felt like I finally have like real peace again. I watched like a video where it's funny how the timing always happens with this. If I watched this video earlier, it wouldn't have hit me as hard as it does now. The video about how we must let things go for the new things God has in store for us. Just let it go. Let go of the hurt. Let go of that. So you can have something even better. Because God has something even better for you. And yeah, I fully believe that, yes, there's better things to come. And I need to let go of this wound. Yes, bad things happened. But I need to let it go completely. And accept that good things are going to come. That God has great things for me in store. And I accept it. I surrender to it. And I just felt this overwhelming level of peace. Just really feeling that. And I haven't felt this peace in quite a while. I had some peace a little while ago for 2 days, but this time it's a really good peace. And it feels really good. At first, I got over a huge thing recently, just removing all expectations from her. And then I got over another thing of even it, like just recently, of not even expecting a relationship, even if she comes back. And now, I just feel full peace and just letting it go now completely. It's in the past. It's done. What's done is done, and what transpired, what happened, led me to where I am now, where I'm feeling peace right now. And it feels good. It feels great. I feel really good. It took a while, but I feel a really good peace right now. And just nice acceptance that the universe, God, whatever you want to call it, just has better things for me. And just there with the universe too. And it feels so good. I feel so free. It feels really nice. I went through so much stuff I've been going through. One of the biggest last hurdles was her, though. I have really given peace to everyone else in my life. My ex-wife, my family, anyone, really. And she was the last one, the only one. And today was a really nice test, and I'm proud of myself for it. And if I keep getting angel numbers after passing the test, I guess it's the universe's way of saying, yeah, you passed, good job. And maybe I needed those angel numbers at that time. Maybe there were little hints to think or tell me, yeah, you're not making a wrong choice here. You're doing good. I think I needed it. Because in my head it was so hard at the time not to ask, not to do anything. And now it feels even easier. It was harder before. It was hard to do anything like that. And now it's really, really easy now. It feels extremely easy now. I feel like she could do the worst thing possible right now. Really badmouth me or anything. I don't know. And I feel so free right now. I feel really good now. She's in the past. There's nothing I can do. Things happened, and I believe things were supposed to happen as they were. I accepted that. I always love her. Always, always love her. And I so much so appreciate meeting her and going through this experience because I met her. And I'm grateful it's led to today right now, where I feel really peaceful. If I never met her, I would never have this feeling I have right now. And it might not last, but I'm feeling it now. And it's very good right now. And right now is all we have. We don't have a past because it's in the past. In the future, we don't know the future, but we have now. And right now, it feels good. And yeah, it feels really good. But yeah, I guess a little shorter video, but it's been quite a test today, quite a challenge, and I believe I passed, and I feel amazing. I feel peace again. Oh God, it feels really good actually. The peace feels really good. It's a little creepy, but it feels good. But in the past, I have said, I don't care for peace. I'm going to keep moving. And I did. And right now, I don't know. I don't have that same feeling. I'll just stick with this peace right now. It feels really good. I take it day by day now. And day by day, I now have this peace. If it lasts, if it doesn't matter. It feels good now. And I appreciate it. But yeah, I guess that's all. And well, thanks for watching, or not, or just myself recording. But yeah, have a great day.